Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to add your country to your X Twitter account. Keeping your account up to date is essential to ensure you are getting the most out of your Twitter experience. Follow these simple steps to add your country to your profile. First, open the X app on your Android device. Once it's open, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on Settings and Support. Then, tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Your Account, followed by Account Information. Now tap on Country. Here, you can add your country by selecting it from the list provided. Once you've selected your country, tap on Save. And that's it. Your country has now been added to your X Twitter account. Adding your country to your account can help personalize your experience and make it easier to connect with others in your region. It's as easy as that. By adding your country to your Twitter account, you can help connect with fellow users from your region, stay up to date on local trends, and personalize your Twitter experience. Don't forget to keep your account information updated to get the most out of your Twitter usage. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.